Is silver the new opportunity for investors following Reddit and following what's called popular demand shares? We're seeing a world whereby the fundamentals don't apply. In other words, previously you've had fund managers, fund analysts around the world analyzing companies, and share prices have been driven by those fund managers. Now what we're seeing is the public is driving share prices because they're accessible via various apps, and they can drive a share price based on its popularity. Silver is said to be undervalued. Of course, we look at the dollar and there's been so many dollars printed, 5 trillion plus of dollars that have been added to the economy. And people are saying, okay, what's the alternative? Is it gold? Is it Bitcoin? And now currently, is it silver? Is silver underrated? Hedge funds, some of them are short of silver. They're saying that, in fact, actually, they think it's going to go down in price. And of course, the Reddit followers are saying, well, if they're short, we want to go long. We want to make those hedge fund managers lose money. There's speculation that banks are hiding the fact that there's a shortage of silver. If again, correct and proven to be correct, then silver is undervalued. So as the week goes on, you'll see a massive speculation where people will be investing in silver and perhaps driving the price up. Of course, you could see hedge fund managers going in the other direction, and you'll see who wins. It's speculative. It's not what I would call investing. I'd actually call it speculating, perhaps on an opportunity. And of course, if you're doing that, just think about it as though you're going to do a gamble. You're thinking of taking a bet. You're taking a bet based on what you think is going to happen. A bit like taking a bet on a football game. It doesn't always work out. And remember that if you're going into an investment like this, where you've got a mass of people like the Reddit followers going into something, they drive the price up, but the last one he loses. In other words, you've got to be early and you've got to be prepared to take profits, not be greedy. But still remember, speculation. Okay, it's not investing. Investing is different. Investing is looking for long-term value, is looking to be happy with a nice steady return, but preserving capital rather than you're investing into things that you have a large amount of risk. If you're happy with speculation, you're happy with speculation. It's interesting. It adds interest to me, to the financial services industry. So whilst I think ultimately it all levels out. Okay, we'll see what happens. In other words, what do I mean by levels out? I mean, ultimately what happens is there are opportunities at the moment if you're in early, but ultimately it levels out as people lose interest, some people lose money. All of a sudden, this type of opportunity ultimately goes away. Let's see if I'm right. Might take 3 months, might take 6 months. In the meantime, there's going to be lots of speculation. There's going to be people making money, people losing money. But just remember, it's speculation. As long as you remember that, then you won't go too far wrong, as long as it's a small percentage of any money that you choose to speculate with. Okay, on a regular basis, I'll put out information on a daily basis on what's happening in the investment markets, what I think it takes to be successful, understanding how to invest. You'll see a video here in this YouTube channel, which is about GameStop and what shorting really means. Okay, that information I'll be putting out on a regular basis so you can follow the investment markets if you're fascinated and you want to speculate or you want to invest, as well as information on successful people in the investment industry, but in life in general. What does it take to win? Please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Please share. Helps me get out good content on a regular basis.